Greetings, Camtasiacs. Today, we're going to reach deep into our bag of compositing tricks, and we're going to learn how to cut through multiple tracks in one fell swoop with a masking technique. All right, so we want to create something that looks like this. We've got a piece of text here that's serving as a mask, and we've got this really cool effect that you're seeing on screen right now. Well, let's take a look at what this composition is. So I'm going to come over here, and you're going to see some Camtasia text right there. This is a dynamic background here. That's just going to provide some color. We're going to go up to the next track. What we've got here is just another dynamic background that's providing some texture. You can see how we see through the layer here is we've got a blend mode on it. And if we come into the blend mode, you see it's a screen blend mode right there. So the next one, and here we've just got a piece of footage, airplane flying through a cloudy sky right here. It also has a blend mode on it, and it's got a subtract blend mode, right? Which when you put it into the compositing stack, we unsolo there, and we see all three of these together. That gives us this sort of cool effect where we see all three of these tracks interacting with each other, right? So what I want to do is I want to cut through all three of those layers. So you might think if I unhide my drone zone here and I go into and I type in media mat and I drag the media mat onto it, you might think, oh, that's not exactly what I want. I was expecting it to cut through everything, right? Well, media mats and track mats, they only affect the layer underneath them, right? So let's go ahead and delete this media mat right over there. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply another blend mode. This time we're going to go ahead and drag this guy down. And over here in the blend mode drop down, we're going to come down to the stencil alpha blend mode. And what you're going to see now is it's actually cutting through all three of those layers, right? It allows you to do some really cool Hollywood-style effects all within Camtasia. I hope you enjoyed this tip. I'll see you next time.